Hey friends, how to change app icon in Android Studio. I have my application, but I haven't application icon. To create the icon, click right button on the app and then New Image Asset. Then let's change foreground layer. For this, we can choose icon from Clip Art, choose Clip Art, and choose any icon. For example, this. OK, and we have foreground layer. To change background layer, click background layer, choose image or choose color for our background. Choose color and let's make it pink. That's OK. If you want to, then click next and finish. Let's run application. Application opened, close it, and we have our new app icon. Thanks for the watching, good luck and goodbye.